Okay, as y'all boys can see, I'm holding the camera like a vlog camera. This gonna be quick. We finna get into the trade, and I already got it set up right here. But I just want to tell y'all boys, we blew the account. We had the account for a week, and we blew it this week, and it was crazy. But I'm gonna explain to y'all all of the mess ups that I had and how y'all boys y'all shouldn't make those mess ups. Cause like I told y'all, bro, I posted a few video like a week ago. They got 1,000 views. Appreciate the love from all of y'all, but I was addicted to trading, so I'm finna tell y'all boys how not to fall in that category that I did. You get what I'm saying? Let's get into it. Boom. So let's talk about trade. I'm gonna show y'all boys my funded futures account. I'm probably gonna buy another account tomorrow. I'm gonna just be honest with y'all boys. But look, okay, go switch screens real quick. Dang, y'all can't see my face. There we go. Now y'all can see my face. Okay, look, so as y'all boys can see, let's talk about the mistakes that I made. So this is my first funded sim account. As you can see, it says sim funded failed. You know what I'm saying, my nigga? I lost everything, and I'm very hurt that I lost it. But let me explain. So we was down 1,400, 1,500. I didn't see that my minimum balance was $47,924. And the reason I bring this up is because the trade I took today would have set me back up in the positive. You get what I'm saying? It would have set me back up in the positive. I'm gonna show y'all boys though the trade I was gonna take. But since I didn't see that, my account was at 48,000 like 100. It was like $48,100. You get what I'm saying? So I only had like a few, like $60 or $80 minimum that I can lose before it breached my account and before I lost the account. That's why I lost today. You get what I'm saying? I didn't read the rules, but we're gonna talk about. Look at this. We just scroll down here. First day, I took 29 trades. I told y'all boys I'm addicted. Y'all thought I was playing? Like, nigga, I'm actually addicted to this trading stuff. I like winning. Like, if I start losing, I have to go until I win. Do we tell you the ones I lost and the ones I won? But yeah, okay. I don't know how to read this stuff. I don't feel like doing it. So we made 400. So we was up 50,400. All I need to do is keep making good trades. You feel me? Boom. Lost $1,000 today. Cool. It's cool. We have losing days. I still took a lot of trades. As you can see, I take a lot of trades, and the reason I take a lot of trades is because I see setups that I want to do. And I feel like I have to take them, so I take them, but I shouldn't do that. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't do that. But let's talk about the trade today that would have put my account back into the positive. And the reason I say it would have is because let's look at it. This indicator. I told y'all boys next video I'll show y'all the indicator this is, and it's ICT kill zone and pivots. So this tell you the different. This is London. This is Asia. This is New York. This just tell you all of the highs and lows and stuff like that that you can aim for. And it was very useful for today. Very useful. The reason I tell y'all that is because look, this trade right here. I paper traded. I took a paper trade just to, like, I knew this trade was gonna hit. But if we go back into the replay, all right, we go back like right here. You get what I'm saying? And then we change it from, okay, so I woke up this morning. It won't let me go back into the account. I can't show y'all on my funded futures account because it's gone. I lost it, but it's cool. We get it back. So as y'all boys can see here, we were dipping. Let me show y'all this indicator because it is useful. So for Asia time, we went up. Okay, we came back over. Yesterday was Thanksgiving, so I didn't take any trades yesterday because it was Thanksgiving and the market was very choppy. As you can see, it barely moved any yesterday. Well, I actually took a winning trade. Wow, if I would have took that trade, I would have won. That is crazy. I didn't even see that. Let me show y'all boys. Dang, I predicted that. I didn't even know that would have been a winning trade. But cool. We didn't really do too much. Then we dropped, and then Asia came. It was a new day. Thanksgiving was over with. Everybody was like, let's buy into the market, and they bought it all the way back up here. Then, of course, once you go up, you got to come down. So it came down some, hit this little key level, touch this liquidity, and then it consolidated and dropped down some more. So it looked like, at first I was like, I might have to go for sales here. I might have to go for sales because we haven't just changed character. And at this moment, this is changing character all the way up here. We haven't changed character yet, and this character change would be us pushing up. But then I was like, I seen that Asia pushed up. This is Asia right here. This blue. I seen that Asia pushed up. I was like, I should take that Asia trade. I should go for Asia today. Okay, so I waited a long time. Today I was like, I'm going to get my account. I literally talked to the chart. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I told the chart, you know who daddy is. You right? And to be honest, I predicted the chart, but I didn't have so much. I didn't have a lot of room to lose. If I lost like $80, I was out. I couldn't go below $80. And you know how NASDAQ work. If it drops, it's going to drop. A couple of ticks, so you gonna lose probably $80 and go back into the green. So that is what it did. And as soon as it touched that $80, it kicked me out. So, but yeah, so I seen that we dipped here. We kept dipping. I kept waiting. I seen we drop. I was watching it from early, like at 7 o'clock. I seen it drop down. It touched this liquidity and then it pushed up. I seen this big candle move up. You get what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, we are going up. We're going up, but this was during pre-market. So I know not to take no trades during pre-market because I was waiting to opening. So opening hours come in, the candle, it comes back down, it sweeps this, and I'm like, okay, I see that it keeps sweeping this. We're going to push back up. So I waited for confirmation. We're going to go to the 2 minute so we can see more candles. I waited for the confirmation to come back up here above here, come above this support up here. Boom, you see this huge candle we just made? Cool. All right, so I wait for the retracement. It came back in, and I buy here. So I buy here, right? Cool. We bought here. I actually bought right here where this is at, but we just gonna say here just for just to be honest. So this, if I would have took this trade, I would have made $1,500 today, and that would have put my account. I was down. Let's see. Hold on. Let me go back to my funded futures real quick. Let me not leak anything. My funded futures. Okay, that would have put me back in the green $100. That is crazy. I would have went back in the green 100 if I would have took this trade. As you can see, we was down 1,400, almost 1,500. But if I was able to stay in this trade, I would have went up 1,500. I would have been in the green for this week, and next week I could have been working to my payout again. It's cool though. We just got to work harder next week. We make mistakes. Over trading is one of my mistakes. That's why I said in this video, I don't even know what I'm gonna title this, but it's probably something about trading, and trading is making me crazy, which it is making me crazy. I feel like a freaking mafia boss right now. But okay, cool, boom, we come down. This is where I lost. When we came down here, I lost. That's what it took me out at. It took me out down here. So we came down. Boom, and then we just printed after this. We printed. This was a perfect read. And the reason I had my take profit all the way up here is because, like I said earlier, Asia swept these. Asia came up here, and usually if Asia has super high highs, New York is going to have high highs as well. You get what I'm saying? We can't be beat. America moves the most. You feel me? We have the most volatile markets during our hours. So when I seen that Asia had some super high highs, New York was gonna have some super high highs. That's it. We all, London was just coming and taking liquidity. That's it. So I was like, okay, cool. What the market usually do? Trading. The only reason I knew this is from trading a lot. Trading a lot lets you know this stuff. So don't just always do this. You got to trade a lot. And then yesterday we dumped and we consolidated a lot because of Thanksgiving. I knew usually when the market doesn't have a lot of volatile or movement in it, because of a holiday or something like that, we're going to print the next day because it didn't have. People want to get back to trading and people want to make money because they didn't make money yesterday. So we bought in here. Of course, we're going to have moments where it dumped and then we're going to boom, print back up. And it just kept moving up. You get what I'm saying? Kept moving up until we hit take profit. And boom, we hit TP right there. Perfect trade, perfect read, perfect setup. But I lost even though I didn't lose. And the only reason I lost was because of dumb trades. If I would have just took my profits, you can never, I heard somebody say, you will never lose You would never lose by taking profits. So if I would have just took my profits or took my L's instead of going back, digging myself a deeper hole, only took 2 trades a day, no more than 2 trades, I would have been good this week. And that trade would have been I would have been able to take that trade with no risk. You know what I'm saying? I could have risked $300-$400 to set me, to have my stop loss at a decent amount. So I did get wicked out. But it was dumb trades a lot this week because I really wanted that payout. So now that I know that, we have a plan for next week. Next week, win or lose, we just gonna settle with it. 1 to 2 trades only next week. 1 to 2 trades only. Is like I tell you, trading is making me crazy because my nigga, it is no reason for me to be taking 29 trades in one day and only come out with $400. Tell me what? How do you just take? I took 29 trades and only came out with $400. My average, I'll averagely lose $100 a day. That is bad. Like my funded account, not my funded account, my what's this thing called? I can't show you my billing, but the regular sim account that I had, the not the sim account. What's the account before this? The eval, me passing the eval. I passed that in a week after I got the new account, so I know I can do it again. This week was just terrible. It was a bad week, but it's cool though. We have weeks like this. I'm not really mad. I'm really, because I know it was myself, so I'm not really upset. I can't be upset with nobody but me. So it is what it is. At the end of the day, we still gonna get this moolah. We still gonna print next week. So we gonna see what we do. We gotta pass the eval again after we just lost this. We just lost the sim account. And bro, what is crazy? To reset your sim account is $400, my nigga. $400? Who do I look like paying $400 to reset? I'd rather just go through the pain of doing the eval again, because even if I was to pay that $400 to get back in the sim account, my payout only gonna be $1,200. So I'm still gonna be down money that whole time. So it really does not matter with me buying this. It is what it is. We not gonna get too deep into it. We not gonna look at the math like that math thing. It ain't, because it ain't math thing at all. I don't like math like no more because I'm not in school. But why you think I dropped out to be a trader? But yeah, man. That was this week. This week was very bad. It was a very bad week. Just gonna have to try it again next week and keep shooting our shots. We only need $2,600. That's all we need. But like I said, bad week, bad trades. Terrible week. It's cool. We have these. We learn from our mistakes. God loves y'all boys. Y'all have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Catch y'all boys in another video. Peace out.